Cyclone Amphan kills 72 in West Bengal. Prime Minister assures all kinds of help to cyclone devastated West Bengal and Odisha. Corona cases in Assam rises to 191. COVID recovery rate in the country rises to 40.31%, while death toll in the disease has gone up to 3,435. Railway to start 200 trains from 1st June. Online booking begins. And domestic civil aviation operations to restart from Monday in a calibrated manner, says Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. Good evening, viewers, and a warm welcome to Northeast News. I'm Changamla Thumra, and now the details. After hitting parts of West Bengal today morning, Cyclone Amphan is headed towards Bangladesh. So far, 27 people have been killed till now. Two districts of Kolkata, Howrah and Hooghly faced complete devastation with a speed of 190 km per hour. It affected areas and beaches of Odisha and West Bengal. At the same time, few places even witnessed earthquakes. It is said that this has been the highest velocity cyclone in the last 20 years. Meanwhile, heavy to moderate rainfall along with gusty wind has been reported in several parts of northeast, including Assam and Meghalaya. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said no stone will be left unturned in helping the Cyclone Amphan affected people. In a series of tweets, Modi said the NDRF teams are working in the cyclone affected parts and top officials are closely monitoring the situation and also working in close coordination with the West Bengal government. He has been seeing visuals from West Bengal on the devastation caused by the cyclone, and in this challenging hour, the entire nation stands in solidarity with the state. Modi said he is praying for the well-being of the people of the state. He added that efforts are on to ensure normalcy and that his thoughts are with the people of Odisha as the state bravely battles the effects of Cyclone Amphan. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba today reviewed the situation in the Amphan cyclone-affected areas of Odisha and West Bengal in a meeting of the National Crisis Management Committee. Chief Secretaries of Odisha and West Bengal informed that timely and accurate forecast by Indian Meteorological Department and advanced deployment of National Disaster Response Force facilitated in evacuation of about 5 lakh people of West Bengal and about 2 lakh in Odisha. West Bengal informed that there were major damages to agriculture, power and telecommunication facilities in cyclone-affected areas. Odisha informed that damages have been mainly limited to agriculture. Cabinet Secretary directed the central agencies to remain in touch with the state governments of Odisha and West Bengal and provide all required assistance expeditiously. Ministry of Home Affairs will send teams to carry out early assessment of damages. NDRF is moving additional teams in West Bengal to speed up restoration work, especially in Kolkata. Food Corporation of India will ensure adequate availability of food grains. Power Ministry and Department of Telecommunications will assist in early restoration of services in both the states. The Railways is in the process of restarting its operation at the earliest. Corona cases continues to rise in the state. Health Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma, through a tweet today informed that the total number of people affected in Assam was 191 till now. 2 more people were affected in Kokrajhar, whereas 136 are still in the hospital and 48 have recovered. The state has witnessed 4 deaths till now. In regard to the spread of corona, Health Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma, today said that due to withdrawal of interstate transportation services, the number of corona cases have risen in the state. Currently, there are a total of 191 COVID-19 positive patients. Among them, 36 from Takliki Zamad, 112 have travel history, 32 from Assam potato godown case, and 9 have no such history. Strict attention will be paid to quarantine issues. Health and Family Welfare Ministry said that a total of 43,300 people affected with novel coronavirus have been cured and the recovery rate reached 40.31% in the country. During the last 24 hours, 3,002 affected people have recovered and 5,609 people have been reported positive. With this, the total number of affected people has reached 1,12,359. A total of 132 deaths have been registered in the last 24 hours, taking the nationwide toll to 3,435. In Tripura, 4 more COVID-positive cases were detected in the state during the past 24 hours, taking the total number of positive cases to 173, which is the highest in the northeastern region. Altogether, 850 samples were tested till yesterday night, and out of whom 4 persons who came from Chennai by a special train were found positive. The administration has already identified altogether 153 passengers who came in contact with those 4 cases, and all of them were sent to institutional quarantine, said Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath. Till date, 17,026 samples were collected for testing, and till now 173 cases came out as positive. At present, 55 patients are admitted in GPB Hospital and Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel and are responding to treatment. Railways to start 200 trains from June 1. The booking of tickets for 200 trains will run from 1st of June, commence from 10 a.m. today. Railways said these trains will be fully reserved trains having both AC and non-AC classes. Only 4 categories of Digvyanjang concessions are permitted in these special trains. Railway Ministry said these special services will be in addition to the existing Shramik special trains and special AC trains and regular passenger services, including all mail and express passenger and suburban services shall remain cancelled until further advice. The fare of these trains will be normal, and for general coaches, second seating fare shall be charged and seat will be provided to all the passengers. All stalls at stations, including food plazas, will be opened, but only takeaway food will be given. All passengers must wear face covers or masks upon entry and during travel. The passengers will have to reach the station at least 90 minutes in advance to facilitate thermal screening at the station. Only passengers who are found asymptomatic will be permitted to travel. All passengers have to download and use the Arogya Setu application. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has announced that domestic civil aviation operations will restart from Monday in a calibrated manner. The flight operations were suspended from 25th of March due to the imposition of lockdown. Addressing media in Delhi, Puri said the domestic flight operation will resume to a limited extent of required and approved summer schedule. The minister said for a journey between 90 to 120 minutes, the minimum fare will be rupees 3,500 and maximum would be 10,000.
माननीय गृह मंत्री जी ने अभी बैठ के देखा, हमने स्टेट्स के साथ भी बात की, कई स्टेट्स हैं, पर अभी हम शुरुआत जो है आहिस्ता करेंगे। ये नहीं कि पहले दिन सोमवार को 25 तारीख को ही सारी फ्लाइटें शुरू हो जाएंगी, अभी शायद कुछ ही परसेंटेज शुरू होंगी।
The tea tribes of Assam, for the first time since the last 295 years, celebrated Assam Tea Day in association with Assam Tea Board today at Jorhat. Every year, 21st May will be celebrated as International Tea Day to encourage the hard work and contribution of the tea workers. It was held in the office of Jorhat Deputy Commissioner, where he was present. United Nations organization have recognized this day as Tea Day. During the program, the tea workers were gifted a packet of tea.
Aru, I wish that the present state of the tea industry improves very fast. Aru, Bortaman ji Poristiti.
Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamang today inaugurated the state's first viral research and diagnostic laboratory, VRDL, capable of conducting COVID-19 tests and certified by Indian Council of Medical Research, ICAMR, at STNM Hospital, Sokchang, near Gangtok, in the presence of cabinet ministers and MLAs, among others. Tamang expressed his gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his leadership and frontline medical workers in battling COVID-19. He said that the completion and inauguration of the laboratory within 35 days amidst unprecedented challenges and constraints is an achievement of the state government. He thanked the medical fraternity and ICMR for guiding the entire process of establishment. He said that Sikkim will no longer depend on other states for COVID-19 and other medical tests. With the establishment of the VRDL, samples for COVID-19 tests will no longer have to be sent to North Bengal Medical College and Hospital, Siliguri, for RT-PCR testing. As per senior health officials, the laboratory should be able to start testing from 26th May 2020. And finally, to end the news, the headlines once again. Cyclone Amphan kills 72 in West Bengal. Prime Minister assures all kinds of help to cyclone-devastated West Bengal and Odisha. Corona cases in Assam rises to 191. COVID recovery rate in the country rises to 40.31%, while death toll in the disease has gone up to 3,435. Railway to start 200 trains from 1st June. Online booking begins. Domestic civil aviation operations to restart from Monday in a calibrated manner, says Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. And that's all in this bulletin. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.